see the dough, it's creating the waves so nicely. So now we put the oil in, and slowly we're going to increase the speed. Yeah, nice dough. Even we have seeds also into it. So I have done a auto rice on this dough. Auto rice means just mixing flour and water and let it rest. It has been resting for a little bit over 30 minutes. So let's check out the dough. You see, with auto rice you can get a very nice structure with the dough. The dough is not ready yet, but you can get a structure where it's going to absorb the water nicely. Okay, now we're going to mix the dough in the mixer. Hi, I am Chef Bisham, professional sourdough baker from Sweden.
I'm Jamie from Malaysia.
I have been baking sourdough for almost 28 years. Join me on my baking journey and discover the wonders of sourdough.